Hey, MSc International Business from the University of Dundee is a one-year full-time master's level course, and here are the top reasons to opt for this course. The MSc International Business enables you to examine the movement of goods, business interactions, business relationships, processes and behaviors on a global scale. You will learn to understand and analyze a range of international strategies and business relevant for the modern global economy. You will also engage with key areas such as global risk analysis, global financial markets, international trade, and global investment. As part of this course, you have the opportunity to undertake an 8-week internship matched to your chosen industry in China, Mexico, Vietnam, or Manchester. This course is accredited to CMI Level 7 Certificate in Management and Leadership. Students on an accredited course undertaking the qualifying modules will receive complimentary membership at affiliate level of CMI throughout the course of their studies. Looking for more details on this course, or if you are looking for an expert advice directly from the University of Dundee, log on to speaktouniversity.com and book an appointment with the university delegate. Follow the link in the description.